ഹായ് അലൻ ജോസ് പെരേര ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ സംസാരിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
Hi all, it is Alan Jos Pereira. Hi all, and now I will say a few words. The jewelry owners and textile owners, are you interested to your shop promotion? You are interested? You will send an inquiry with my Instagram page, and my phone number is 9947519818 WhatsApp. Then all type of car showroom personalities, their business development with me, you interested, then you anger with me, and so many varieties of idea I will give to promote with you, and then so many financial way to your business. Then you give some enough money, then you promote so many people's huge of profit you got. Then anybody of business personalities, jewelry or textile shop, please contact me. My WhatsApp 9947519818. Vishnu Kochikaran and we tweet together to do and inaugurate all type of business inaugurations. We will do enough monies. You will small normal money. No more expense. So big expense, but small expense. No, very small. 20k, 30k, 40k. That is enough. So you must be understand with me, and you must know with me, and you get